time points towards the past. Over time, entropy has continuously increased. This is what has largely determined the thermodynamic arrow of time. Cosmological arrow of time.
So can you explain what they were talking?
Touch.
That is
If
entropy
increases.
We
Are
are moving towards the future. Spell future. F-U-T-U-R and vice versa. If entropy decreases, we are moving towards the past. Yes, we are moving towards the past. So, in other words, which way are we moving? According to laws of now you sort of let's spell it. T-H-E-R third, and then M-O thermo, and then D-U-Y-N-M-M-I-C-S thermodynamics. Want to try it again? Now this is better. So according to the law of thermodynamics, the entropy is increasing, and that's what makes us move towards the future. Yes. So let's watch again.
Our observable universe began with a highly ordered state known as the Big Bang, and since then it has been expanding, with the level of entropy continuously increasing. The mystery lies in why the universe started in such an orderly initial stage, termed the low entropy state of the Big Bang. This question is related to the cosmological arrow of time, which indicates the direction of the universe's expansion.
So here, when we are looking at the direction of the universe's expansion, so in related to Big Bang, so what happened in Big Bang? It was a highly ordered state.